Hi everyone, welcome to some Friday fun. Some new acquisitions for the yarn room and a little bit of yarn. Yes, I did get some, but there's a reason. The reason is I'm addicted to yarn, but that's beside the point. But a nice cup of coffee too. So yes, I was out and about and went into a shop called Home Bargains, which is a shop in the UK which is really cheap, and you can get some pretty good stuff in there. They do a little bit of everything, you know, some kids' toys. So I managed to get one little stocking filler for Harley for Christmas, and as he's got a birthday coming up, I'm not quite sure if it'll be Christmas or birthday, but they do sell yarn, and I did show a couple of balls of blue, which was the only colour that I was able to get before. So I found a Christmas red this time, and so I got two of the reds for Christmas, and nowhere to put it because I'll get to that in a minute. And I also got some green, Christmassy green, so that'll be good. And I got some baby pink. You see, if I'm sorry about looming up on you, but the light's making it, playing havoc with it. So I've got some baby pink to go with the baby blue that I got before. I got two of the pinks because, you know, that way at least it's newborn, so at least there'll be enough to make something with. So yes, Christmas yarn. Got the King Cole Christmas glitz yarn, and I love this stuff. I used it last year. They come in 100-gram skeins. Now, they are pretty difficult to see, but they're premium acrylic. They're 97%, I think. The rest is the Lurex, because as you can see, there's the sparkle. But I made a lot with the King Cole glitz last year. They had some Halloween glitz, which I'm going to get. They had some Christmas glitz. And they also had just normal glitz, but they also have the Christmas tinsel yarn. So I figured that I would get some bits and bobs to make some Christmas stuff. So I got altogether four of them, and there's something in there that's not anything yarn related. Toothpaste and a nail brush. Forgot. See, rather than get a bag when I was in the shop, I just put it in these boxes because that was my other acquisition. Now, I've been putting my whips, struggling to put my whips in baskets, and these are lovely and big. Look at the size of those. But the best of it is they may be big, but they also come, even though they've got these little handles, with a lid. So I can put my whips and all the yarn for that project in there and have a nice lid for it as well, which is fantastic. So I've been making do with these little tiny baskets, which are great if you're making a small thing or you only want to put one ball of yarn in there. But these are just brilliant. And I think they were $3.99. They only had these three in the pink, so I got all of them because I have a few whips on the go. And I figured they're nice and dusky pink. They're not bright pink, so they're nice and subtle, but they're a lovely size, and they've got the lid, which is great. So I decided to get those. If I take the lid off, I can put all my Christmassy stuff. Now this Home Bargains yarn, the Christmas stuff I got, is called First Choice Double Knitting. It's 99p per ball. 99p. That is ridiculously cheap. So it's 100% acrylic, and you get 300 meters, but it's absolutely lovely and soft. So I got two of the red and one of the green, but it's fabulous value for money just to make some Christmas projects. And it's a lovely bright red. I was going to get two greens, but then I remembered when I was out last time I did pick up a green. Plus, I don't tend to use as much of the green as I do red. I'm just going to put all that Christmas yarn back in there. I think I've got it all in. Put the lid on so it stays nice and safe. But yeah, I've got a couple of the baby ones because, well, it was just 99p. So, you know, you can't go far wrong, can you? 99p. Unbelievable. And it is exactly the same dimensions, 300 meters and 100% acrylic. But it's really nice stuff. And the blue's a good colour. Nice. It doesn't look very... Oh, that's not it. Sorry. I don't know what I did with it. I think I must have lost that down the back. Because another reason I wanted to buy these things was because my yarn room is getting a little bit congested with stuff that I'm bringing in and not having homes for. So if I can tidy these whips, then I'm going to put them in that corner there. I think they should just about fit in a stack. So that's going to get them cleared and out the way. Because if I wanted to do a tutorial in here, I've got some serious serious clearing away to do before I can even get going. But it was a nice little shop anyway, nice little trip out. And I'm really amazed at the quality of the yarn in Home Bargains for 99p. And I think, you know, to get the same kind of equivalent size skein, if I go even to the cheapest shops, like Pound Stretcher and B&M, it's £2 a skein. It's half price. So we shall see what it works up like. But it looks nice, feels nice, so I can't see there being any problem with it really. But I'm really pleased with my little baskets. They're not expensive, but they're going to keep this my whips in order, and I'll be able to put everything in, all the same yarn balls, and keep it all together, which would be cool. I just had these little ones before, and they're fantastic if you just got like making a pair of fingerless mittens and you don't really need much yarn. But if you're making anything that's more substantial and you need to put your yarn in, maybe not all of it if it's something huge, but I like them. And I'm just really glad that they've got lids. Fabulous. I might even get some more later on if I need them, but I think 3's enough. And as I say, there's this space here that I can't use until I get maybe a shelf or some kind of unit. But when I said to Gary about making the shelf there, he said, "Didn't you tell me you wanted to put a Christmas tree there?" And I thought, yes, I did. So maybe we'll hold fire on that and see if I put a Christmas tree there. Might play havoc with the lights if I have lights on it, so we'll see. But they had some great Christmas decorations in there today. I was going to get them, but Gary kind of said, no, we don't need it. So I ended up putting them back. Bar humbug to Gary. So yeah, not bad, not bad really. I'm pretty pleased with these. I like the colour as well because, you know, I like them being pink, but at the same time not leery and in your face. And I have something sort of came to my attention the other day that I haven't used my bling thing that I ordered. You know, my roll of rhinestones on the adhesive. I haven't actually used them yet. And I'm thinking of, I haven't blinged. I was going to bling everything in sight. But then, you know, I don't really want to bling Gary as he goes by. So thanks for watching. And sorry, yes, I bought more yarn, but it was Christmassy yarn and a little bit of the baby to try it, you know. Sorry about looming it up on you, but this light does not allow me to show you colours unless I get up close and personal. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Oh, I've got a little message. I had a message from one of my subscribers who's been subscribed to me for quite a long time, and somehow YouTube had unsubscribed her. So they do that from time to time. They're meant to purge and get rid of dormant accounts and fake accounts that might be out there. But every now and then they unsubscribe people who don't want to be unsubscribed. So if you wouldn't mind, just check that you are still subscribed. I think if you're watching it, you probably are because you've seen it. But yeah, it's annoying, and it's not the first time that that's happened. Vero got unsubscribed to me one time, and a few other people have. So I don't know, these automated things, they don't always work properly. So never mind, just thought I'd let you know, just in case you need to check it. So bye for now, take care, and I will see you soon. Bye everyone.